We have a well-kept secret at Reima that will make your child run even faster. Our Rolling Steps range has been designed with a very specific geometry on the outsole. And the reason we call it Rolling Steps is because in the design of the outsole, we have the front part of the outsole and the back part of the outsole, which curve upwards, which gives it a kind of a rocking geometry. It's called a rockered outsole. What's great about Rolling Steps is that it really accompanies the child in its natural movement. It's a design concept that supports the child's natural inclination to move forward, to run, to walk, and it really sort of encourages this rolling movement of the foot. I don't know if you've ever noticed that when your kid tries on a new pair of shoes, the first thing he or she does is see if he can run faster with it. So Rolling Steps is really about that. It's about encouraging the child to just run and walk faster. And the reason I'm holding these two shoes is because we can also incorporate the Rolling Steps outsole geometry into different kinds of designs for different kinds of uses. So this model, for example, is kind of a classic running around on the road type of shoe. And this has Rolling Steps designed into the outsole. But then we've also incorporated it into this shoe, which has been specifically designed for trail walking and hiking and really active outdoors adventuring. So we can really use this approach to outsole geometry to address different kinds of uses and different kinds of terrains. And we have Rolling Steps on running shoes, we have Rolling Steps on hiking shoes, trail hiking shoes, and we have Rolling Steps also incorporated into our winter shoes. So it's really a concept that we think applies to any kind of terrain, any kind of weather, and is just perfect for kids who are constantly on the move.
Yes.
Okay, oh God, oh thanks.
Joo, se oli tosi hyvä.
Mutta.
Ei, kun mä et voi ottaa vaan variaatio.
Is it okay? At Reima, we're really serious. No, oh God. And I feel like I'm making an ad.
Yeah.
That's
but
too much.
Are.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you. I take all credit. Can we?
Yeah. The camera's still rolling.
Cut.